Hello everyone, welcome to Quest for AI. Today I am going to discuss about AI agents. I am sure you will find lots of information in the YouTube and in the internet. My attempt is to explain AI agent for the non-technical person. So without further delay, let's get started. What are the AI agents? The AI agents are digital employee, and the best part, they have their little brain, so they can decide what is the next step. They can work 24/7 without sleep. Businesses are transformed by AI agents. They can operate without constant human intervention, making decisions about the next step based on the observations and the goal. And what they actually look like? They're basically a software, an autonomous software system. Here in this little diagram, you can see the layout of an agentic workflow. This is the AI agents. It is connected to a brain we called the AI LLM or large language model like ChatGPT, Gemini or Claude. It is also connected with a memory so that it can take the next step based on the context. And it also can be connected to the different tools. So as a whole, after a trigger input, it can decide what to do and then it will give you an output. So there are tons of examples of AI agents in real life. For example, customer support. Nowadays, you can constantly chat with an AI agent that we call the virtual assistant. At 3 a.m. in the morning, you can place an order. The AI agent can generate leads for your business. And there are a lot of examples nowadays in the social media where the content is actually created by AI agents, not human. Let's say you ask to an agent, organize my trip to Paris. And as soon as you do that, the rest is taken care of by the AI agent. They will search for the flight and hotels. They compare the price across different websites. And based on that, they can make bookings and they will add all these things into your calendar with a little note to your WhatsApp or to your Gmail. This is how it looks like in the backend when you launch a request like organize my trip to Paris. As soon as the AI agent gets the trigger like to Paris, it will go to different websites through the API and search for flights, search for hotels, and also it can search for other activities you may enjoy in your journey. And they can compare the price, they can make the booking using the HTTP request node, followed by adding to your Google Calendar. And then they can connect to your Gmail or WhatsApp to send the summary. As simple as that. So you can see in this example why AI agents are so important nowadays to free up human labor and also to save a lot of times.
You can dedicate your time to your loved one, to your family, to your friends.
As I said, AI agents are the key parts nowadays in the businesses. Every business is rushing to integrate AI into their system, and AI agent or in general AI automation is the key part here. So in the sales and marketing, just as an example, the AI agent can find potential customers on the social media and they can send personalized email to generate leads so that the customers are happy and click the link. And when it sees someone shows interest, it can update your CRM or Google Sheet, whatever it might be. And if a customer places an order, it can also generate invoice and can start the payment processing without any human intervention. So in the morning, you can have the list that these orders are placed last night, and maybe you can finally authorize the order in the morning. So what are the benefits of AI agents? It can increase the efficiency. It can save the cost and time, as I showed. And as these are very first process, the customers are happy. So the relationship between the customer and the business or the company is improved. Here are the key few concepts that you need to learn to understand the AI agents. One is ChatGPT, Gemini, and the Claude. These are based on the LLM, that means large language models. It works like this. Tell me something and I will answer. So the next thing is the workflow. The AI workflow and the AI agents is sometimes related, but the AI agents more advanced form of this AI automation or AI workflow. In a normal workflow, what happens is different steps are connected and these are fixed. So if something bad happens here, there is no alternate path. But in case of AI agent, it can decide that something is wrong, I should follow a different path. So in the workflow is like I will follow these exact steps every time, whatever it might be. In case of AI agent, tell me what you want and I will figure out how to do it. This is really interesting. So now today is the best time to learn AI agents because the AI automation and the AI agent space is getting crowded day by day. And the obvious reason what I described earlier, it's the future. It's not even the future, it's actually here. Without the AI automation or without the AI agent, no business will run in the future. The AI agents can give you tons of leverage in your personal and in your business life. As Mark Zuckerberg said, there will be more AI agents than are people in the world in near future. So based on that, I have 4 steps for you to make money using the AI agents or in general the AI automation. The first step is to become good at understanding the concept of AI agents and creating AI automation workflow. There are tools like N8N, Make, Zapier. You can choose any one and you can learn how you can make AI automations using AI agents. And then you can start AI consultancy for the small business owners to understand how they are running their businesses and how you can integrate AI into their businesses. And initially you don't have to think like very complex process. You can just teach them how to use ChatGPT, Gemini and Claude for the lead generation or for the customer satisfaction, and that you can sell them as a training package for their employee. And finally, you can build custom AI automations based on the requirement of the business, and they will be happy to pay you for this. I can guarantee it, if they seize the opportunity that it can scale their businesses. Right now, this is the golden opportunity to move into this AI automation space or the AI agent space. If this seems interesting to you, then it can leverage your dream and you can become financially free. You can have the life you want. If you think this video is helpful, so please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.